Hello everyone, Merry Christmas to all of you. I am Siddharth of class 9B. So today I am preparing some Christmas cookies without oven. So let's get started. First of all, for making Christmas cookies, we will be needing half cup of clarified butter or ghee, half cup of powdered sugar, half cup of gram flour or besan, in Hindi we call it, half cup of maida or flour, and some almonds for garnishing, and half teaspoon baking powder. So let's get started. First of all, for making Christmas cookies, we will take half cup of powdered sugar, and plus half cup of ghee or clarified butter. We will mix it thoroughly till the stiff peaks form. We don't have to add any kind of water or milk. So we have to mix like this only. We have to mix it thoroughly till the stiff peaks form. It will take 5 or 7 minutes. I have not added any such kind of water or milk. If you want, you can use electric beater for easy results, and electric beater takes less time as compared to a normal whisk, or you can use a spoon also. Now you can see stiff peaks have started forming. Now 5 minutes are over. Its stiff peaks are forming. You can see them. Now our mixture of clarified butter or ghee and sugar are ready. Now we will add some maida and some besan. पकड़ो ऑन करो. हाँ. Now we will add some besan in it and make a soft dough out of this. And we have to mix it with soft hands. So let's get started by making the dough. If needed, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk in it. Friends, now I will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder in it. Now we will mix it thoroughly and make a soft dough out of it. Please remember that we don't have to add water or more than 2 tablespoons of milk in it. Friends, now it's 3 to 4 minutes. I am mixing it. Now see, the dough has been formed. I have to knead it for 1 or 2 minutes more. Now you can see the dough has been formed. Now you can see that the dough has cleaned all the sides of the bowl. This is the indication that your cookie dough is ready. Now you have to keep it aside for 2 to 5 minutes. Friends, till I am forming the dough, now it's resting. So at that time, we will take a idli stand, or you can take any kind of patila which is available at your home. We'll put a idli stand in it and some reta, or you can add some salt in it for even heating. Now we'll start preheating it. First we will keep our idli stand or idli tray on it and cover by the lid. Friends, now I am keeping the flame on and not started preheating on the high flame. You can see. On another hand, our cookie dough had been rested. Now we will make some shapes, some cookie shapes of it. Now I am making the shapes like this. Now you can see. At another side, our desi oven is being preheated. Friends, now I am opening the lid and taking out our stand. Friends, now we will add some oil and grease it. We have to apply good amount of oil on it so that our biscuit should not stick on it. Now you can see I am applying good amount of oil on it. Now we will again cover the lid. Friends, now I have made all the biscuit shapes. Now we will garnish with one almond on each of the biscuit, the cookie. Now friends, garnishing is going to be completed, and now we will put our biscuits on the idli tray. Now see, like this. Like this we will Now we will bake our biscuits. Let's wait for 30 to 45 minutes. After that I will show you. Friends, अभी 20 minutes हुए हैं. आप देख सकते हैं हमारी कुकीज पक रही हैं, अच्छी पक रही हैं. ये देखिए. अब मैं आपको 25 मिनट्स बाद दिखाता हूँ. ये देखिए कितनी अच्छी कुकीज मैंने बनाई है. मैंने अपने ओवन से कुकीज निकाल ली हैं. ये कितनी अच्छी बनी है. यहाँ से मम्मी भी जा. ये कितनी अच्छी कुकीज बनी है. ये देखिए बहुत क्रिस्पी कुकीज हैं. तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स एंड मैरी क्रिसमस.